Hello and welcome back every student on our wonderful channel, that is Ayush PTE Elixir. In the last video I have shared a lot of content related to your PTE exam and how to clear your PTE exam with just simple steps and what should be the last minute strategies as well. You can check those videos out. In today's video I'm gonna clear a doubt related to your templates कि क्या हमें same template use करना चाहिए or shall it be the different ones. So before going ahead, I would just request everyone to please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and those who are already subscribed, please do share this video with your mates so that it can help them as well. And let me just start the video and let you know the thing, guys.
All my time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen but the last day just...
So let me clear a doubt first of all, that the templates that we use is mostly in kind of describe images, retail lectures, essays and summarize spoken text. If I talk about the retail lecture, you can use the same template in 1, 2 or 3 retail lectures, whatever you get. Most probably that you're going to get, it's just one retail lecture, and apart from that, if you get any number of images, that's the same for each and every image. You have to use the same template for each and every image as well. Then comes your write essay, in which if you get 2 essays or more than 1 essay, then you can use the same template. We have the template, guys, in the description box. What you can do is just click on the link and then it automatically will get that essay strategy that gives you 15 out of 15. You just have to put the words. And let me tell you one more thing, that there are single line essays, 2 line essays, 3 line essays as well. You can do one thing, like in single line you can put the single line in all the paragraphs. For 2 lines essay, you can do like introduction should be for your first line, BP1 should be for second line, BP2 should be for introduction, and conclusion should be for again the second line. And if we go on to the 3 line essays, in which you have to do the 1, 2, 3, 1 structure, right? So same goes for the 4 line essays as well, that you hardly get from there, right? So just go on to that essay template and use it with your any kind of PTE exam, like either you are giving it in the home based or just your Pearson regular exam. It will help you in both as well, right? Now comes your spoken text. Let me tell you, in spoken text you can use the same template as you are using in your retail lecture, because they both are same. In one you have to listen and speak, but in the another one you have to listen and write. So they both are same, right? So that's all about the templates. What I will recommend you is to focus on your grammar and your vocabulary part, right? If you need any kind of assistance, if you need any online classes or physical classes, then we are available with the Plan Easy English Lab platform, in which you will getting your communication classes, your PTE classes, your PTE vouchers at the best prices, and many more things. So kindly stay tuned with this channel. Do not forget to again subscribe to this channel and share this video, guys. Thank you so much and have a good day.